Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to fix a squeaky door. This video will take you through solutions to ensure your door stops creaking, so make sure you stick around for that. Applying petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly has oily properties and lubricates the door. It also attaches well to the hinge and minimizes any residue. Apply it to the door hinge or remove the hinge pin, smear it directly, and return the hinge. Use olive oil. Use a pipette or a similar appliance to concentrate the olive oil on the door hinge. You can apply several drops or spray it on the hinges with a spray can to lubricate the door. Rub bar soap. Bar soap has oil and fat and is a good lubricant for a squeaking door. Smear some soap on the hinge until it is completely covered. Open and close the door several times to evenly spread it. Avoid soaps that contain glycerin because they can create moisture and cause rust on the hinge. Use paraffin candles. The petroleum in candles is a lubricant to hush the noisy door. Melt the candle and apply the liquid wax on the creaking parts. You can also remove the hinge pin and smear the melted wax. Reinstall it on the hinge once the wax cools. Use silicone spray. Silicone spray contains no grease or mineral oils and is safe as a lubricant. Detach the hinge pin and spray it on the hinges. Place it back and wipe any excess liquid that drips out with a cloth. Apply lithium grease. Lithium grease is a good choice for fixing squeaky doors. Apply several drops on the hinge pin to ensure that the door stops squeaking. Apply talcum powder. Talcum powder is a key ingredient in dealing with a noisy door. Use a small brush to work the powder into the crannies of the door hinge. Tighten loose screws. A creaky door may be due to slack screws on the hinge. Examine all the screws on the door and use a screwdriver to fasten any loose ones. If a screw refuses to tighten, remove it and use a wooden toothpick and glue in the hole. When it is dry, insert the screw to secure it. So there you have it. The noise from squeaky doors can be irritating sometimes. Friction and looseness are some common causes of the problem. Nevertheless, these tried and tested remedies provide the means to deal with that issue. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.